I just got done editing this video and I want to pop in and say something before the video starts. I do notice that my energy level in the beginning of this video was kind of weird. I was talking really slow, and that's because I just woke up from a nap and I decided to film right away, and I can't really refilm it because I can't undo the unboxing. So I hope you guys still enjoy this video, and I promise the energy level gets better as the video goes. So let's get started. I just woke up from my nap and I just had this sudden urge to film this unboxing video. This bag of clothing has been sitting in my room for over a month now, and I was just like, I need to stop procrastinating and do it today. So I got out from my bed, got ready, and here I am. So I'm sorry if I still have my morning voice going on, but it's not even morning now. I don't really remember what I ordered because I placed this order back in February, right before Chinese New Year, and it's already April now. And the reason why I haven't opened it after receiving it for so long is because I was saving this for this unboxing video and I just kept procrastinating. So it's a pretty big bag and I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's see what I picked up about 2 months ago. I got myself a zebra print vest. I actually really like animal print, but leopard print, tiger print, or like snake print is just a little too out there for me. So I got myself something in zebra print because this is in black and white and it's gonna go with a lot of the other stuff that I own. I only have 2 other vests in my closet, so this is a new addition to my little collection. I remember wanting to buy another cardigan that's in zebra print from yesstyle as well, but it was out of stock, so I ended up not getting it because I tried waiting for it for like a week, but it's still not restocked yet, so I just gave up on it. So cute. Maybe I'll get it next time. But why did I pick up so many things in animal print? I got a cow print hat and it's reversible, so I can wear it this way. I don't really wear hats because this is what I look like with a hat on. I look so bad. My head is just too big for hats. Ooh. Okay, this has a little color difference because I remember ordering this and it looks more apple green on the website, but this shade of green is more towards mustard yellow, I would say. I got this in a size small, but I did gain a little bit of weight for the past 2 months, so I'm not sure whether if this would fit. But overall the pants looks really nice. It has pockets on both sides. Ta-da! And the fabric is also really comfortable. Hopefully it looks nice on me in the try-on clips. Ooh, I got another skirt. Wait, oh no, I got a dress. I got this because I went through the reviews and it looks really nice on the girls. So I know puff sleeve is not really that trendy anymore, but I still really love them. I think they're really flattering on my body shape. And this dress also has this really cute lacing detailing in front that I need to lace up later. And it also has this really cute ruffles at the bottom. And this dress is also lined with another layer inside, which is great. And it also has a zipper on the side. I love filming unboxing hauls because it's so casual and I feel like I'm just sharing with my friends what I got. I can already hear my mom nagging at the fact that I bought another sweater while I'm living in Malaysia. But I just really love sweaters and I can wear this to places with AC. So just this really Pinterest looking groovy sweater. Ah, look how cute the color is. But I read on the review someone said that you can't really raise your arms out without exposing everything in front in this sweater, so you just have to be careful while wearing this top. Where's my scissors? And I cut off the tag. I really love this print and also the colorway of the sweater. I don't have anything like this in my closet at all, and this print kind of reminds me of the ending scene of Powerpuff. Wait, let me find it and show it to you guys. It kind of reminds me of this, and that was my childhood, so this is so cute. I also got a pair of socks because yesstyle has a bunch of cute socks, and I got myself one with this really cute teddy bear detailing in the back. This is gonna look really nice with low-rise sneakers, and I just thought it's gonna add a little something to the outfit, so I bought this. Okay, we only have like 2 things left in this haul, and I got myself another poofy skirt. This is what it looks like. It has this really cute lacing detailing at the bottom. I have this in black that I got from yesstyle sometime around last year, and I really liked it, so I got myself the white one as well. And it has safety shorts attached to the skirt, which makes me feel really safe while wearing it. And the back of the skirt is elastic, so it's really comfortable to wear. I know tennis skirt has made its comeback last year, but personally I prefer skirts like this. I actually bought myself 2 tennis skirts, but I just really don't like how they fit me. It looks really cute on others, but when I wear it, I just feel like it just looks really weird. So I got myself this kind of skirt instead, and I sold my tennis skirt. Lastly, what is this? I think I know what is this. I got myself a little black dress. The last thing that I got is this really cute lacy little black dress. Oh, it looks so pretty on the camera. I like that the detailing is really subtle, and when you look at it from a distance, it just looks like a plain black dress. And in the back, it also has this lacing detailing. These are the holes for the ribbon. The birds are chirping outside my room right now because it was raining earlier. That's everything that I got from this haul. I know it's pretty small, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!